doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless mouse or keyboard to your projector. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have this mouse, so I want to connect this mouse to this projector. So let's see how to connect this. If you have a mouse with nano receiver, so just you need to simply plug the nano receiver on your projector USB port, as you can see guys. So if you have the mouse wireless like Bluetooth, I will show you how to connect the Bluetooth mouse or keyboard. So in your mouse guys, here in the back side of your mouse, here you can get the wireless or Bluetooth option. So just need to enable this, that's it. Okay, after enabling guys, you are good to go. So with your mouse you can easily able to use your projector. So I will use the mouse pad, so it will work very perfectly fine, as you can see guys in my screen. So now let's see how to connect the Bluetooth mouse or keyboard. So in your projector you need to open the settings simply like this and go to Bluetooth settings like this. Okay, and here you need to turn on your Bluetooth and then click on search for Bluetooth devices. Just click on it. Okay, it will start searching your mouse or keyboard, and after searching simply select your mouse and then simply connect your mouse or keyboard. So this is the way to connect any wireless mouse or keyboard to your projector. Okay, so I have only mouse right now, I don't have keyboard. With the same process you can easily able to connect the keyboard as well. Okay, so that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.